Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to turn off app lock in oppo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use oppo mobile app lock setting, you want to turn off app lock in your oppo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to remove app lock password and how to turn off app lock one by one, step by step, as we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your oppo mobile you don't want to use app lock setting, you want to turn off app lock password. So friends, now let's see how to turn off oppo mobile app lock password. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. Friends, in your oppo mobile, scroll down here and open your phone privacy setting. After turning my phone privacy setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, tap here app lock setting, enter your app lock password, and you don't know your app lock password, if you click here forget option setting, and friends, if you know your app lock security question answer, so friends, you can unlock your app lock setting with your security question answer, and you don't know, so friends, you will have to erase all data. Okay, so friends, always remember your password and security question answer. Friends, I will enter my app lock password. After enter app lock password friends, you can check your logged app, click here two dots and click here setting. Friends, if you click here, your app lock will off and you want to save your app lock data, so you can save, and you don't want to save, so click here don't save. Friends, if you click here app lock setting friends, you can see app lock is off, and but friends, we have app lock password. Friends, you can see password we have, and you want to remove your app lock password. How to remove app lock password? Friends, you can see all app is unlocked in my oppo mobile. Right click here two dots, click here setting, change password setting, click here, enter your app lock pattern, turn off password setting, click here, turn off password, again enter your pattern. And friends, if you enter wrong pattern, so friends, you can see app lock password will not remove, app lock setting will not off. Again draw your same pattern, app lock setting is off. Again, if you click here app lock setting, so friends, you can check. First, you will have to set password, select your password type, enter security question answer. You can again start app lock setting in oppo mobile, and you can use app lock setting in oppo mobile. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile app lock setting, and you can remove oppo mobile app lock password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, you can see all app is unlocked. Instagram app you can use, photos app, file app, google app, gmail app you can use without password. Bye.